Alright, so we have the most fun testing out this off-road Jeep. We got it off of Amazon. It was a pretty good deal as well, honestly. So we figured we'd do a series of tests to see what this Jeep can really do. So obviously we didn't think it was gonna go over the rocks with ease, as smooth as possible. But it did go over them better than we thought, so we decided to rate it a 3 out of 10. Of course, the baby rocks were a lot easier, so 6 out of 10 for sure. This next test was definitely easier and a lot funner, I feel like. And of course, it was so easy to go down the curb, but the real question is, can it go up the curb? And unfortunately, it did struggle. Even with putting more power to it, we tried it maybe like 4 or 5 times. Still didn't work, but also the grass was wet, so maybe it was a little bit too slippery. Who knows? Also failed this test as well. But that's okay. We enjoyed ourselves completely and absolutely love this Jeep.